Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to separate names in Excel. Separating names into first and last names in Excel helps organize data for easier sorting, filtering and personalized communication. So let's start the video. First, open Microsoft Excel worksheet. Here we have a list of full names in a single column. Our goal is to separate these into two columns, one for first name and one for last name. So first select the data. Now click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon, and in Data Tools group, click on Text to Column. A pop-up window will appear. In Original Data Type, make sure Delimited is selected and then click on Next button. In Delimeters, select either space or comma or both. In our case, it's space, so we are going to select space, but you can select both space and comma at a time. In the data preview, you can see the outcome. Now click on Next button. Here choose where you want the separated names to go. Click on the up arrow in the destination field and select the column. We are going to select B2 and then click on down arrow. Now click on Finish button. And there you go, our names are now separated into first and last names. So that's how to separate names in Excel. Thanks for watching.